Now let's look at another key feature in Rox, accounts. Accounts is where you track the information about your territory that you want to monitor continuously. Leadership changes, product usage pulled from your CRM or warehouse, or any other signals that might require action. This page is highly customizable to your needs. In a moment, I'll show you how you can do research at scale across all your accounts, helping you gather signals and prioritize which accounts to focus on. But before I get to that, let me quickly show you what an individual account contains. If you click on an account, you'll see that you have an overview, account plan, org chart, activity, opportunities, insights, contact, notes, and documents. Each of these tabs are designed to help you stay on top of your account. Let's now go back to the accounts table. To remove an account, check the box next to an account and click on Remove Accounts. In that same area, you can do a few more things. We'll cover each of these in more detail later, but let me give you a high-level overview. Find Contacts for Sequence is useful when you want to prospect into an account. Track Changes lets you monitor activity within an account. Rerun Rows lets you refresh all columns for an account. Exporting lets you export the table as a CSV. And Assign lets you assign tags to an account. Don't worry, we'll cover these in more detail later. To add an account, click Add Account in the top right. You can search and filter for accounts, bulk upload using a CSV, or add it manually by entering the domain. For each account, Rox will run searches across all the columns that you set up. You can enable alerts so you are notified when there are meaningful changes, like a new leader or a new partnership. These updates can appear in 3 places: email, the columns here on accounts, and the homepage. Let's talk about the columns. You can create a new column using the button in the top right. Describe what you want in natural language. The more detail you give, the better. If you prefer, you can configure the prompt manually. Give the column a title and output format, specify a prompt, select which data sources to use, for example, web, email, or meetings. And in advanced settings, you can select the model, specify a more specific output format, and share the column with your organization. Once the column is added, the agent starts searching the sources you identified right away. To edit a column, click its header. You can view the prompt, track changes, edit the title, sort, hide, or delete the column. To reorder columns, just drag them where you want them. If you track changes, you'll receive insights that will show up in your homepage. If you want the data to refresh but don't want to be notified, you can also just enable weekly refresh. Now let's create new tabs. Tabs let you segment your territory, maybe accounts in a specific industry, specific region, or your top 10 accounts. When you create a new tab, you can filter by any column you add to the tab. That's accounts. Pick the accounts, define the columns that matter, set alerts, and let Rox bring you the right changes to you, all while keeping everything filterable, exportable, and aligned to how your team works.